What I'm shooting here is a 270 Savage. It's a lightweight hunter. It's a model 111. I've got it topped off with a BSA 3.5 to 10 power Majestic DX scope. The reason why I'm shooting the lightweight hunter is because I'm going to be doing a ton of walking up here, of big hills, mountains if you will, and by being able to shave off a couple of pounds by losing the weight of the rifle really makes it a lot easier on a hiker. So this is the kind of hunt that it can be as strenuous as you want, and I like the real physical stuff. I like going out to them and working hard for them, and so I'm going to shave off as much weight as I can. You take a look at the bolt, it's all shaved down here. The bottom of the stock has got some extra wood been removed. It's got a sporter barrel on it, very lightweight barrel, and this baby shoots. It's a tack driver. Let's go ahead and pop a cap or two and see how it does.